Hello children, I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I'll be discussing the different types of pronouns of your English grammar book, and we have covered lesson number 10, 11 and 12, which are basically your different types of pronouns. Firstly, I would like to just explain what are pronouns. Pronouns are your short words which are used in place of naming words or nouns. We don't want to use naming words again and again for same person or for yourself in a sentence where you are having we are describing about something about one person only, but you are using it again and again. So you avoid that and you use pronouns in place of that. And I you use for yourself, we you use for somebody in which you are also included, more than one. So you, if you talk about somebody, you are talking to someone, are you sleeping, in a question form, or you are talking too much. When I talk to you in the class, then I always say, are you listening to me, are you doing your work? So you is not particularly for any plural or singular form. You can use it for both the plurals and singulars. And he for males, she for females, it for a non-living thing or an animal, they for more than one people when you are not included. So don't get confused in we and they. Okay, and children, all these pronouns are used in the first place. What do you mean by first place? They are used in the beginning of the sentence. When you are starting a sentence, then you use them in the first place. Okay, so I hope you don't have any difficulty in learning about them. Then are your these types of pronouns where you are talking about somebody, and these are the pronouns which are used mostly at the end of the sentence. For example, if you talk about this, look at the stars, we are so far from them. Will you play with me? This is my ice cream, I want it. So have you noticed this, that me, it, them, they are just at the end of the sentence. So basically they are used there, and it depends that whom you are talking about. If you are talking about yourself, then you will use me. If you are talking about some object or some non-living thing or some animal, then you will use it. If you are using about somebody else and the person is more than one, the persons are more than one, they are in plural, then you will use them. And when you include yourself in that, then you will use us. Okay, will you come with us, or will you play with us? So like here, we are going to the park, please come with us. Us is used for we and us are connected. So you have to make an understanding that where you have to use according to the starting of the sentence. Okay, you have to see, like for toy we used it, for Tim we used him. We was underlined here, so directly it will become us. So they will not change to us. Always remember, they will always be changed to them. Like here, these are Shanti's books. The books were in plural form, so that's why we have used them instead of it. So you have to use it accordingly. Her, him are used for female or male. Females के लिए her लगता है and him के लिए जो है for males. And for it, you know very well, it is for non-living things and animals. Then comes your last type, which are for your possessions. What are possessions? जब आप अपनी किसी चीज़ के ऊपर अपना हक जमाते हो, या आप अपनी belonging that belongs to you, you show that in a sentence, then you use my, yours, his. This is my book, this is yours book, this is his book. Okay, so they are basically used in the middle of the sentence basically. And one more thing which tells about these types of pronouns, they are always used before the noun, like before the noun, just before dress, just before ball, okay, just before toys. So they are used like them. They tell you about that this noun belongs to whom. Okay, if you are talking about her, then this must be about a girl. We are talking about a girl. If you talk about its, then it must be about somebody who is a animal or some object. If you use about there, then it must be about more than one people, but you don't believe, you don't belong to there. When you talk about, when you include yourself, जब आप अपने आप को include करते हैं तब उसमें आप are use करते हैं. Okay, so don't confuse in them, just revise them thoroughly. You will practice more and more, you will practice more and more, you will learn about them. So I have made this short type of brief, like I, me, my. When you talk about yourself, then you use such type of pronouns: he, she, him, her, his. When you talk about somebody who is one person, boy or a girl, then you use for them. Then it and its, they are used for non-living or animals. We, us, are, they are also one type of pronouns from one family, but more than one person, and you are included in them. When you talk about yourself and somebody else, then you use we, us, and are. They, them, their. When you talk about your not yourself but somebody else and who are more than one. So all these are different types of pronouns, and I hope you all have understood, and more you will practice, you will learn more about them. Thank you.